Can I just say that if Beyonce wasn't at that Starbucks this morning, I don't know what's happening. The line was like, but guess who waited in that line? This girl. So, I thought I'd bring y'all along today. I have to do my chores, and I gotta, I'm gonna be taking down fall. I'm gonna be unboxing my Halloween stuff. I've gotten some stuff, like, I got like a little haul to show you guys of things that I've gotten for Halloween. I am at Sam's right now because I tried to renew my membership in the app. I don't know if this has happened to anybody. I have the normal membership because I don't come here like all that often. Like, not often. I don't have a big family or anything. It's just me and Josh, and my cousin's living with us now. And like, I'll get something for my sister and mom, like a cook, but whatever. The point is, I don't need to go here that often. So I just get the normal membership that's like $45 or like a year or whatever. And I was trying to renew it, and they kept making me renew to the premium, and I was like, girl, I'm not paying $100 to come shop at Sam's. So I am here to resolve that. And just a little timestamp for you guys, they open at 9. It's literally 9:07, and there are people walking out here with full carts checked out. Who is this speed shoppers? Most of them are men, to be honest. I don't know how they do it. Josh, when we go in someplace, he's done in like 5 minutes. I'm like, y'all don't want to browse nothing? Like, it's about to be the holidays. Like, hello, there's so much fun stuff out there. But anyway, I'll take you in here with me, and if I see something cool, I'll go ahead and film. But yeah, that's pretty much what my day's looking like. So, you know, you guys are my special friends, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. Yeah, so also, just a heads up, this is a collab with my sweet, wonderful friend, Janet, and I love her. She is my New York girl, my Ray Dunn sister, from another Mr. New York. So I did this collab with her because she loves Halloween, and I love her, so it works out. And so she's also going to be showing you guys what they do in a day. She's probably better at this than I am because she's definitely done more like vlogs and stuff than I have. And people are staring at me. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm gonna get up in there because things are starting to get hairy out here. It's 9:10 now, guys. Things are starting to get real crazy up in the Sam's Club parking lot. So let me hop up in there and we'll see what we can see. Alright, so I'm out here and I'm about to go in. Okay. Just alright, y'all. So I'm gonna walk in here and we're gonna see what the eye can see in here today. And I will show you anything cool if I see anything cool. Alright guys, so I have put away all of my fall, and now I am going to start with my Halloween. I have a ton of stuff. Holy cow. This is how Minnie helps me film my videos, in case anyone's wondering. This is the help I get. Look, she's just looking. Minnie, Mama, what are you doing? What is it? Okay guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick little Halloween haul. I got this little trick-or-treat sign at TJ Maxx. I've got the Hocus Pocus sign. It's from Walmart. This little witch house and these two things are from Target. They're the mini mantle collection, I believe. Love, love, love these. They're so pretty and beautiful. They're also like really well made. Like, they're heavy, basically, is what I'm trying to say. And like, they're thick. See that? Like, it looks really good. It's really sturdy, so I was very happy to get these. They are usually sold out within like seconds for Halloween, so I was so happy that I was able to get them. The next thing I got is this. My favorite color is October, and that is from At Home. I got these 3 items at Michael's. I got this trick-or-treat little book stack. I was looking for one that wasn't huge, and everybody only had big ones, so I was glad to find this kind of smaller one. I also could not get this. Come in for a bite. Hysterical. Loved it. And then also, this is so cute too. A haunted home is a happy home. And it's got lots of fun and glitter, just like the bat is super glittery. So definitely some fun new things to add to my Halloween decor this year. Super cute. Love them all. Alright guys, so we're just gonna start. I'm literally doing this in chunks. This is like how I'm doing my unboxing for you guys, because I have so much Halloween stuff. It's like crazy. So I've got all this here as far as like little wood and like display stuff. And this is my already done stuff. Okay, so super quick overview. I've got my mugs and my pumpkins over here and my little canisters. I got my doggy treat canisters too. The Happy Halloween liquor treat are so cute for Minnie. Like I said, I just got like some mugs and whatnot here. I've got some other canisters over here. It's a Happy Halloween and Candy Overload. And then I have a little candy bowl that says Trick or Treat. And then these are, I believe it's called Terramato, so that's what those 2 little vases are. And then I have the Target black gumball machines and that cute little thing that says candy comb over there. So yeah, this is all of my like rain done glass type of stuff that I have to like rewrap every season, which is annoying, but it's okay. But yeah, so this is it. I also do have these little pumpkins that I gotta take out of that box. But these, like the mugs, mostly are for display. I do have some that we will drink out of, whatever, but mostly it's for display, all this stuff is. So yeah, this is the first of many batches I'm gonna show you guys of my Halloween stuff. The only thing that I have more of than Halloween is Christmas, but I have a ton of Halloween. So it's definitely catching up to that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with another table full of stuff for you guys. All right, friends, so the decision was very quickly made to just set up things around the house. This isn't obviously where I'm gonna put everything, but I was just like, I'm not gonna clear off and restack the table every single time. It's gonna take 16 years, and this is the easiest way to just show you guys everything. So this is like my Disney Halloween stuff. I've got little like spatulas back there, and all of the little Mickey cutesy things. I've gotten a lot of this stuff over the years, and then I've gotten some things new this year. I thought these were amazing because they have the little stuffed animals in them. Anima, get out of here. I got this little blow up. I got this mat this year. I got the mat. I have this. I've always had this. This is in like my hauls all the my tours all the time. My little Mickey and Minnie jack-o'-lanterns, and this like cookie jar thing. I think it's a tea light thing on the bottom, but this one's a cookie jar, I believe. I got a dish drying mat that I got for a gift last year. Salt and pepper shakers. So this is like my little Disney area of all the stuff that I have that's Halloween Disney. Over here, I have my 2 Halloween trees. I have not lit them up or put them up yet, but you guys will see that in my fall tour. These are my signs. I've got 3. These are like a little bit shorter. This is the taller one. I think it's about 5 feet tall. And they just say welcome and spooky and boo to you. This is when Hobby Lobby still had Halloween. The same with the trick or treat. That was definitely Hobby Lobby as well. I don't know why I have 2 of those. I think somebody might have gotten me the second one, but that's okay. I'll use it to decorate, no problem. But yeah, this welcome sign here is actually from Cracker Barrel. I bought it from somebody, but she told me she got it from Cracker Barrel. And this spooky sign, my best friend found for me at Home Goods. Love, love, love it. It lights up purple. It's so pretty. All right, we got a couple more stops here. This is some other just random decor. I don't know where I'm putting literally anything yet, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys most of what I have. These are so cute. I love the little door. Let's see, what else do I have? This little area over here, I've got my 2 black trees for Halloween, my 2 little mini ones. I've got this little thing. I got it from somebody. I think I bought it at a garage sale, actually. It was a Scentsy item. I wish I had the top. I don't know what I did with it. I think I lost it or something like that. But if anybody knows somebody that has this thing, let me know. I would love to find the top for it. I've got this little haunted house in the back that's glittery and fun. And then this is one of my table runners. These are pretty much all of my garlands lit up. I got these ones I made myself. They were from 2 different garlands that I had gotten from Michael's, and I intertwined them together and just put lights in them. So I made all these myself. And then these on the back came from Joann's, and I just put lights in them myself as well. As you can see, Minnie is exhausted from helping pull out all of this Halloween stuff, huh, Mama? Oh my goodness. So tired. Oh my God. She's looking at my cousin to be like, tell her to shut up. My baby girl, I'm sorry. Mama loves you. Oh, sweet girl. And then I also have here on my coffee table just this spider beaded runner. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love beaded runners. I just love, love, love them. And then I've got these 3 little pumpkin guys. I don't even know where I got those. A happy Halloween sign, a trick or treat sign, and then this is the rest of it, our last stop. I've just got some spider web, like little table runners and stuff like that. I've got these pillowcases or pillow covers my sister bought for me. They're so cute and hocus pocus. I love them. This obviously is a blanket that this is all on, but this is the rest of it. Pretty much, I have some like ancillary things that I was like, they don't need to see that. But another little house, some little like twig tree thing, just the ornaments for my tree, some garlands, some candles. This is from Yankee Candle, and the candle holders were too, and I just love those. I've had them forever. Yeah, so just random stuff. A lot of this is from Michael's, like pretty much all of it. And then I did have a little bit more right down that I forgot about, and these are Minnie's Halloween bowls. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Everything that I've got here. You guys, there's a ton of stuff. I can't wait to show you guys how it all looks once I'm done decorating. I hope that you guys do love it. It's gonna be great. This is a ton of stuff, but I think that I can make all of it work, and I think it's gonna just be the best Halloween decor ever. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this vlog here. I've already started doing some decorating, as you can see. Do not forget, this is a collab with my sweet, sweet friend, as I said, Janet, from Janet and Eric's channel. I absolutely love her. You guys will too. She does grocery hauls. She does what's for dinner. She does like home stuff. She does it all. I absolutely love her. She has such good vibes, such a good personality. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it. I love you all. Have a super blessed and awesome week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.